Imagine stepping into a world where logic and reason take a back seat to awe and wonder. Some places on Earth defy explanation, ancient sites shrouded in myth, natural phenomena that challenge our understanding, and locations where reality itself seems to blur. Join us as we explore the 10 most mysterious places in the world, a journey filled with untold secrets, baffling discoveries, and stories that might just change how you see our planet. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. Our first stop is the infamous Bermuda Triangle, a region between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico that has perplexed navigators for centuries. Ships vanish without distress calls, planes disappear from radar, and even advanced tracking systems fail to provide answers. One chilling account is that of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that disappeared in 1945, along with a rescue plane sent to find them. Speculations range from strong magnetic fields disrupting navigation instruments to theories of underwater pyramids emitting electromagnetic pulses. While many incidents have logical explanations, the Bermuda Triangle's mystique persists, drawing researchers and thrill-seekers alike. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza isn't just an architectural marvel, it's a puzzle for the ages. Built with over 2.3 million limestone blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons, the sheer logistics of its construction remain a mystery. What's even more intriguing is its alignment with the cardinal points and its connection to astronomical phenomena. The pyramid's proportions mirror those of the Earth, and some believe it holds hidden chambers with untapped secrets. Could advanced knowledge from a lost civilization, or perhaps help from beyond our world, be the key to this ancient enigma? Stonehenge, England. Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument in Wiltshire, England, continues to baffle archaeologists. This circular arrangement of massive stones, some transported over 150 miles, was built around 5,000 years ago. But why? Some researchers suggest it was an astronomical calendar, marking solstices and eclipses with stunning precision. Others believe it was a sacred site for rituals and healing. Recent excavations reveal buried artifacts and human remains, hinting at its role as a gathering place for ancient peoples. Yet, the exact purpose and methods behind its construction remain open to interpretation. The Nazca Lines, Peru. In Peru's arid desert, the Nazca Lines stretch across nearly 200 square miles, depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes. These geoglyphs, created between 500 BC and 500 CE, are best seen from the air, something the Nazca people couldn't have achieved. Some theories suggest the lines were created as offerings to gods, designed to be viewed by celestial beings. Others point to ancient irrigation systems or astronomical alignments. Yet, no definitive answer explains how or why these massive designs were etched into the desert floor with such precision. The Great Blue Hole, Belize. This underwater sinkhole, over 1,000 feet wide and 400 feet deep, is a diver's paradise, and a mystery in itself. Formed during the last ice age, the Great Blue Hole offers glimpses into Earth's geological past with its stalactites and unique marine life. But it's also a site of eerie tales. Divers report an unsettling silence, strange currents, and an overwhelming sense of being watched. Could there be undiscovered species or hidden passages leading to greater mysteries in the depths of this natural wonder? Easter Island, Chile. The Moai statues of Easter Island are as enigmatic as they are iconic. Carved by the Rapa Nui people between 1250 and 1500 CE, these stone figures, some weighing over 80 tons, were transported miles from their quarries. Researchers believe the statues were symbols of power or representations of ancestors. But how were they moved without modern tools? Some suggest log rollers or ingenious rope systems, while others propose supernatural explanations. The sudden collapse of the island's civilization adds another layer of intrigue to this remote paradise. The Devil's Sea, Japan. The Devil's Sea, or Dragon's Triangle, lies near Japan and is often called the Bermuda Triangle of the Pacific. For centuries, this area has been associated with vanishing ships, eerie lights, and strange phenomena. Legends speak of dragons pulling vessels into the depths, while scientists point to underwater volcanic activity and rogue waves. During the 1950s, the Japanese government lost a research vessel with all 31 crew members in this region. Could there be an unknown force at work beneath the surface? Mount Roraima, Venezuela. Mount Roraima's sheer cliffs and mist-shrouded summit make it one of the world's most isolated and enigmatic places. It's home to unique flora and fauna, including carnivorous plants found nowhere else on Earth. Indigenous legends describe the mountain as the stump of a mighty tree that once held all the world's fruits and vegetables. Its unusual landscape has also inspired tales of hidden worlds and prehistoric creatures. Explorers often report an unshakable feeling of stepping into another time, a place where the ancient past is alive. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. The Darvaza crater, nicknamed the Door to Hell, is a fiery pit that has burned continuously since the 1970s. Originally created by a Soviet drilling accident, the crater's methane-rich gas ignited, and the fire has never gone out. Scientists study it as an extreme environment, yet locals tell tales of otherworldly forces keeping the flames alive. Visitors describe a haunting beauty. The glow of the fire against the night sky is both mesmerizing and unsettling. Could this be a glimpse of something infernal, or simply a natural phenomenon misunderstood by its witnesses? Area 51, USA. The final stop on our journey is shrouded in secrecy. Area 51, a top-secret military base in Nevada, has sparked endless speculation. Is it a testing ground for advanced technology, or the site of alien encounters? Declassified documents confirm experimental aircraft testing, but many believe there's more to the story. Sightings of unidentified flying objects and leaked alien autopsy footage fuel the conspiracy theories. Whether you believe in extraterrestrial life or not, Area 51 remains one of the most enigmatic places in modern history. Our world is filled with wonders that defy explanation, places that challenge our understanding and spark our curiosity. As we marvel at these mysteries, they remind us of the boundless possibilities that await discovery. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible travel content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What's the most mysterious place you've ever visited or heard about? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.